Today I will show you the easy method for cutting a muskmelon or cantaloupe. Here are the steps to follow. Muskmelon is also known as cantaloupe. It is very delicious and nutritious food that offer a variety range of health benefits. It is very rich in vitamins and minerals. It has high in antioxidants. It is also very good for your eyes also as it contains vitamin A. It can also prevent from night blindness or any age-related eye issues. Do you know vitamin C present in muskmelon plays an important role in supporting your immune system? It will help to fight any infection or illness. The vitamins and antioxidant present in muskmelon can help to glow your skin and it will help to reduce aging. First, we will remove the outer skin of the muskmelon. Then we will slice in the middle into exactly 2 halves. And then we will remove the seeds out of it. Now we will lay each of the muskmelon half flat on the cutting board with the cut side down. Carefully we will slice the muskmelon into your desired shape. You can create wedges, cubes or any of your favorite shape as you like. Now your muskmelon is ready to serve. You can enjoy it fresh and you can make it as a fruit salads or smoothies or juices. If you don't want to use it immediately, you can store it in a airtight container in your refrigerator. You should be very careful when using a knife to cut the muskmelon. Enjoy your freshly cut muskmelon. There is many benefit of eating cantaloupe or muskmelon. Do you know that the potassium content present in the muskmelon can help to regulate your blood pressure and support your heart health, and it also prevents from various type of cancers. So always eat muskmelon, stay healthy. If you are new to our channel, then go ahead and subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the latest update. You can write your valuable comments in the comment box. I would definitely read all your comments and I will reply back to it. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Stay happy, healthy and safe.